Hello and thanks for checking out this video. I realize it's been some time since I've posted any progress or updates on how my learning on the Irish flute is coming along. There's a few reasons for that, but primarily I just haven't been really satisfied with how I've been progressing, so I was a little bit shy to share that journey with you. But I think it's time. It's been just a little over a year now, starting back in January of 2023. We're now in March 2024, so I missed that 1 year update video, but I will share this with you just to show you the progress. So just a few notes on this video. You will notice I have a new flute. This is one I purchased back in the summer, and it's given me a little bit of trouble, and that's not the flute's fault, that's my fault. So the flute in this video, it's a Hamilton Blackwood flute, and I ended up purchasing this flute used as Hammy's not really building flutes at this time from what I understand. But I found this flute for a great deal local to me and was able to pick it up. However, when I got it, I was having a lot of trouble playing it, and it just kind of was discouraging me from picking up the flute more. And eventually I reached out to some of the online Irish flute communities, and a lot of people suggested that I need to check for air leaks, which is something I never did consider because it's a flute. You're literally blowing air through it. My brain just couldn't comprehend that that would cause any issues. But what I ended up doing is getting some rubber corks, corking up the flute, covering all the finger holes, and finding quite a significant leak in the tenon between the head joint and the body. So that started another journey of kind of learning how to recork and do maintenance on the flutes. So I ended up recorking this tenon. I'll put a picture up here that you can see. And I was successful in that attempt and now have an airtight flute. And since then, I have made quite some progress on it, and it's playing a lot better now that it's airtight. Another thing that was giving me a lot of trouble was I would often switch back and forth between flutes, and this wasn't ideal because I wasn't really developing like a steady, consistent technique. I would have to make minuscule changes to my embouchure between each flute, and I just wasn't getting that consistency. So now I'm sticking to one flute. I'm trying to focus on it and really get that tone that I am looking for. And I have a video at the end of this clip here that's just going to show kind of where I'm at, playing a reel called Kitty Gone a Milkin'. So you can see a lot of things have come a long way since my last video post, and I'm happy with the progress, but would like to be further. I think my two biggest struggles right now are just getting a really solid low D, which is kind of that sweet butter note on the flute that I think a lot of people do struggle with. And my other struggle is definitely getting a nice clean sounding second octave, particularly in the higher notes like in the A and the B. But it's coming along. So I'll try and keep more videos coming with some updates if you're interested in seeing these. And without further ado, here is that update video I'm promising. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.